Hi, I'm Kayla Zimmerman with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker. I'm here at my newest listing, 76 Lancaster Ave in West Springfield. This has a 3-car detached garage. Come on in. The large living room has a lot of natural light. The brand new kitchen is updated with granite countertops, white cabinets, recessed lighting. This home has gas heat, wood floors throughout the home, a brand new furnace, and a brand new water heater as well. This home is move-in ready in an open concept floor plan. The brand new kitchen is updated with white cabinets, granite countertops, recessed lighting, stainless steel appliances. The large living room is open to the dining room and kitchen, and it has a lot of natural light and plenty of space to hang out with your family. Right off the kitchen is a 3-car detached garage and a brand new driveway as well. Mittenog Park is right down the street, and the other way, about a mile down the road, is Gooseberry Farms, where you can get ice cream, fruits, vegetables, plants, and flowers. This home has 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath. Features 1 bedroom on the main level. Upstairs has 2 full bedrooms as well. Brand new windows upstairs, a brand new water heater, a brand new furnace. This has public water and public sewer, along with a full bath on the main level. If you would like some more information on this home or a private showing, please call my number 860-362-3131 or my email kayla@teamgabriel.net. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.